night. Weather's beautiful, everything's right. We just need the hogs to show up and finally give us a chance.
Wrong feeder, buddy. We got it done.
Hey, Bill, we just killed a good black hog. We're sorry, not much pre-roll. But when a hog walks out, with our luck, it's going down. And it's down. Billy, that hog was for your dad and for us, brother. So thank you. That was an honor, man. And hopefully I represented him well, brother.
I wonder if Billy's seen anything. And if he's not, I know he's looking at pictures of himself. Nobody likes Billy more than Billy.